got the rad support all lined up. Put in a good support. Had to hammer this straight a bit. Now we're going to see if this brand new part fits. We might even stuff a grill in it. We'll see. Seems to be lining up. That's a bonus. At the start of yesterday, I had some concerns about this whole front end coming together nicely. But it did. I mean, there's always a way. But yes, we've got some of the original parts that I've hammered straight. Here we got a new part that fits unreasonably well. Just get them all started before I snug them up. I mean, there. A matter of practice. Probably from not screwing up enough. Okay. Now I'm going to try to keep the shop as clean as it is till Mike shows up to mess it up. And that's another 3 days. I don't see an issue with doing that. Because who knows when Phil has time to come and help us out again. That's pretty close. I'll put the grill in there and then I'll figure out how close we are. Not bad. Yeah, fair to middling. Okay, we've made it look like a car. Mike has inserts for the sides of the hood. I could go on and maybe I'll go farther, but I still have to weld up that rear window. So, we've got inserts for the side of the hood. Probably have a better grill around, even though that's not bad. This would clean up with quadruple zero steel wool. Pretty happy with how things lined up. So, I mean, there's lots of fine tuning. This gap's too tight, so I could now open that up a bit. That side's pretty freaking nice. So, it comes down to how far do you want to go. We're not doing the build. We're assembling a rust-free car. So, whoever has this can finish it off. It may need a K-member. If I have a chance, I can look out back. Mike said he has one. This one has some subtle damage here. I'm sure an alignment would still be able, to be adjusted into this, but if I had one, it'd be a nice thing to do. So now, yeah, that makes a big freaking difference. So now I'm going to lower this down more. And I'm going to come up here and replace that back window channel. And that's going to be a bit of work. And the toughest part about this area is trying to do it without warping this. I could make that all in one piece, but I don't think I will. I'm going to start making a piece and just see how far before I get sick and tired of it and I cut out and weld it in here. And I still have to lay in the trunk to weld along the spot welds on this seam. It's looking pretty good, but I do have to weld that. So we'll get set up and start back here. So I've cleaned up all the spot welds. I'm going to prime in there once I make the new piece fit. You can see what's going on here. So I'm going to do a bunch of shrinks and curve it. Right now, we're ready. Primer's dry. Weld this baby in. One more vice grip, I think. Up here. Okay, I'll tack a few spots and weld like crazy. I'm going to crank it up for the spot welds. All right. So I'm going to tack the spots I like, and then I'm going to push these back just a hair. Okay, I'm going to let that cool for a bit while I mark the next piece. Okay. Got a detail down in here and here, but that's that. I'm really glad to have that done. That was a bit of a job. So now I'll clean out the trunk, lay in there, weld this flange from underneath. It's hole punched, both sides. And I think I'll have this beat. That makes me a happy guy. And then, it's only what? Today's Friday, so Saturday's. 2 days and Mike will be here. Wow, I just have to enjoy that. Yeah, I like that. Cheers, it's been a good day.